friends, today we are going to make raspberry and blueberry mix ice cream. So first you need a mixer like this one. You'll need some raspberries and you'll need some blueberries. These fruits were frozen, so if they're frozen ones, then please defrost them or make sure they're not stuck. You'll need 1/2 cup of whipped cream, and you'll need about 3 or 4 spoons of about this size powdered sugar, like 3 or 4 spoons of powdered sugar. So first we're going to take the raspberries and put them in the mixer. Our raspberries are stuck together. It is better if your raspberries aren't stuck together. So now we will need the blueberries. Let's put the blueberries in. Ooh. The blueberries got stuck too. Now we are going to pulse it. Now, since our pulse is made, we're gonna put in our whipping cream. Now we're going to put in our whipping cream. And now we're going to put our powdered sugar. That's 1 spoon. Two spoons. Three spoons. So we're going to need 3 spoons of powdered sugar. Now we're going to put the cap on again and pulse it. Okay, so now we're going to see how it is. We're going to take the spatula. It's liquidy. It needs a little more sugar. 1 spoon. 2 spoons. So now we're going to pulse it again.
So we are doing this till our cream gets thickened.
And we're going to put it on the number 1
speed.
So now my mom has washed the spatula, so we're going to use it again. Still quite liquidy. Yes.
But it is coming together.
Now I'm just going to taste a little more. Guess I could use a little sugar.
So you can adjust sugar to your taste.
Yeah. So now we had a lot of extra because we put raspberries and blueberries. We've made some popsicles. We're making them. We're making some popsicles. So we're gonna put the last one in, and so this is our ice cream that is supposed to be in a cone. These are the popsicles, and this is gonna turn into a smoothie. Yeah.
Let us put that in freezer.
So once you're done filling them up, then you can put them in the freezer. Now we're going to continue making our smoothie. So we're gonna need some milk. We're gonna need some sugar. Yeah. So about half the spoon. And then we're gonna need some ice. But we're gonna put that when the smoothie is ready over there. Now we're gonna pour this milk and sugar in. Our and we're gonna turn it on number 1. Pulse. Now I'm gonna try my smoothie we made we made in a few seconds earlier, and I'm going to be happy. Get it? Happy.